You know.
Me.
No, I mean.
Why?
Start.
Today for a burger. So how we burger and that's because France cool tapino in between I was not but no we want.
Yeah. We in. My chief is. We had to play headphone. So tell me, how do you feel about another chunky? Hi, Jayana.
A chunky problem.
I don't think. Who is the problem? Which one of them my problem? All of them? Really? Then suppose me add one more to it. How you da feel? I don't know about how you da feel.
Same.
The same?
When soon of them man.
Alright.
So then clear now. When can't run them, no send them no way. And that kind of thing.
I look at my pimple them. Today me I was sitting there. Me I watch Chrissy and she have one whole part sitting there broke up on her face.
You see, yeah, what perfect to do, you know.
No, but on the freckles like whole around us like okay, I leave a spot.
You know what?
But it's more like
I saw myself them when they use part their face.
no man, I choose she pregnant. She said every time she pregnant it happen to her.
Lodges and one time I see one woman lodges and when you look on her face, I tell me pregnant with me and I go to Savlam or at the hospital. Her face and her chest and back.
Some people here they curse with them they sitting there. My skin just glow. I'm pretty.
The only weirdest thing when we pregnant
That's
now,
weird,
me,
like
instead me put on weight, me get little.
Yeah. Can you not eat? You not eat maybe? But you're sick. You're sick, so you probably don't want to eat.
No man, I'm pregnant with John. Belly feel like he can't fool. Yeah.
Or maybe a little clarity, so a little weight where you gain no come like a nothing. I just baby as then that's it.
Me weigh 110 pounds when we're pregnant with John, right?
I want to talk about pregnancy.
And John weighs 7 3/4 when he born.
7 and so how much did you weigh before that?
110.
No, before you get pregnant, how much did you weigh?
Maybe 198 pounds.
That's just baby. A baby weight.
See, I'm pregnant, do not talk about.
I just think I started.
Can me watch Chrissy today? I mean, I'll look at my face and see pimple. Let me remind me I sit there with pop up in her face. I now have the issue there. Until so my face glow. It's like a sunshine. Boy.
When you're pregnant, we get white.
Yeah, get white.
Skin and they mulch. Here they drop off on my skin.
Yeah, with the bugs and the mulch.
And the hair on my head grow.
Yes, my hair grow. So my hair grow so tall. I'm gonna cut my hair when I'm pregnant with Jayana. Me cut it again. I see grow. So means me I want it more length to get man. Hold it more.
I mean this. Mommy, sitting there, Jessica, I want announcement for you. You know.
Me.
Yes. Yeah, I want announcement for you, mommy.
Me get stuck with that the task there. Me.
No, mommy.
say prank living, I know people not gonna believe nothing when they say again. But tell us that she ever thinks they a prank.
But you know announce how it.
She already, you say a prank, you say a prank, you know what?
Oh. I mean, I go believe you, guys, mommy.
Tell her she say believe say a prank. That's what happen when you pull prank on people, you know. Believe you when you tell the boy who cry wolf.
No, mommy.
She say you can't prank her again.
No, you be saying on that kitchen. When that prank are real, you will not catch me.
Yeah, you will not catch me again.
No prank, man.
You will
When
not
that prank are real, you will not catch me.
You will not catch me again.
No prank, man. You want a real. You know.
Tell us that she thinks you're a prank, right? Tell us that she thinks you're a prank.
Me know say mommy dey be say a prank.
Me know say she me know say she thinks you're a prank. Well, so I go. You have to think you're a prank. One day prank must over.
Yeah, this is no prank.
You think you're a prank, Wayne? You think you're a prank?
What?
Oh, you have 8.8 years.
What prank?
What I prank? We remember what we pranked them with the last time.
Mom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a prank?
No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think a prank too? Why? Why would I prank? Like, why would we prank you 2 times in a row? You did like couple months.
How long ago? 4 months.
I don't know.
I think I'm about 3 or 4 months now.
Yeah, like why? Although I guess I saw sometimes people prank work and then do it in a row. Let things say.
Like what missing. When you
What?
I got maybe they watch a prank there. I was sure about he water broke. Anytime in the night in the net there
Hey, see the number.
But the thing is, when woman always a prank the money with and all the while water break. You know?
Me had 3 pitney and my water never broke until it all of them are bad.
Oh, she sit down in a chair with the crutches wet up.
When the water broke, he not go galang. They are galang. How did you sit that? Danny did do it for sitting there. Pan Chad, remember?
The thing is,
When he real sitting come,
yeah, mommy want a prank, man.
my water never broke. When I like for my water actually broke. What you feel like?
Everybody want 4 baby. Because Chrissy,
Yeah,
because Chrissy pregnant, everybody want pregnant.
Oh, I don't know about this, you're not pregnant.
Because Chrissy,
Yeah.
when I hear King, I go tell she, oh Chrissy.
How much after 3 pitney king and she have?
Yeah, one of them and Nene, which are November and Nene are December.
And December.
Then you have to go December.
And which
But when the baby born in Jana was 2. Remember?
which we shot
just turned 2 October.
2 November.
Jana they are 2 when the baby born.
Yeah, because she turned 2 in October.
But you know if anything, remember what they say?
What would they say?
When you say he due date and mommy birthday is him. It's 23rd of June. Just because if he say you say like if he say he date would that be 23rd of June?
We don't provide door.
No, I mean.
Eh?
Just because he due date would that be the same date as for your birthday? The 23rd of June.
Really?
She still thinks it's a prank, so she not really investing in it. It's not a prank.
And this man he tell me say it would have be the same thing. That would have be a due date.
Which they never company due date, except Chunky because them induced me.
Next year, the 23rd of June 2021.
What a nice birthday gift. No, sir. What a nice birthday gift you get, especially if I want boy, because they like boy picnic. I have to change.
I'm on my name, I want boy. If I get a girl or boy, no matter to be running alright, but not prefer one boy.
Nice.
Chunky, you're chunky, you're glad you want boy.
Yeah, the chunky tell me say, oh, him don't want no more sister. Him would have mad if me figure have one sister, cause them always a give me baby, you know, every day. Jana tell me other day, oh, I told you there was a baby in your belly. Can me eat and my belly big. I told you, mommy, there's a baby in your tummy. I was like, every day una give me baby. I have little prophets and prophetess speaking things over my life.
That when you get in your belly.
Like 5 or since when me eat my belly big. Let me eat too much, my belly get big.
But if anything even goes so, when I say, oh, I want soup. You see you been drinking soup for a couple times.
Actually, no, that was
Because according to you, you have gas.
no. That the time that me never no.
I mean,
Not that
when
time.
my sister did pregnant one time, every day that woman a ball for gas.
No, not that time then.
And when you find out,
Like a couple weeks ago. But that the time then no.
I can't couple of weeks, no 1 week.
Like 2 weeks.
I'm not 2 weeks yet.
I tell her so that the time that I don't know what my body that go through at the time there, but it was not.
Maybe you know 2 weeks ago, I mean, no 2 weeks ago.
I mean, I don't know 2 weeks
Jana
ago.
breeder.
My God.
Maybe you know 2 weeks ago, no 2 weeks ago.
What Jana do? Jana breeder.
No, me just easy to get pregnant.
You easy to get pregnant. Not do too much quickie.
Too much quickie.
Also,
Nobody got time for that. Quickie. Well, a quickie make baby.
Yeah.
Really?
so we don't know about that
I
girl.
don't know about that the one there.
To have a surprise, that girl.
She still thinks it's real. She doesn't think it's real. The only thing I wanted was that corn that I saw you with the other day. So then we got a supermarket the next day and buy corn. Yeah.
And when you buy in a day for you see that?
No, me buy corn from the same day when me cook fish tea.
All fish tea.
When me not drink in a years.
All fish tea.
Mm-hmm.
You sure that you have feel pregnancy?
Are you pregnant?
So my mask will be there.
Hey!
You see it when? No, my mask.
Mm-mm.
You see it?